Japan successfully launches world's smallest satellite-carrying rocket. Japan successfully launched on Saturday the world's smallest satellite-carrying rocket following a failed attempt in January last year, the nation's space agency said. The rocket, about the size of a utility pole, measuring 10 meters in length and 50 centimeters in diameter. The number 5 vehicle of the SS-520 series carried a microsatellite weighing about 3 kilograms developed by the University of Tokyo to collect imagery of the Earth's surface. Why keyboard keys are not arranged in alphabetical order. We use keyboard every day, be it our desktop, or laptop, or tablet or smartphone. But have you ever wondered as to why the keyboard is not arranged in alphabetical order? The computer keyboard is directly derived from the old typewriter keyboard. Typists have been trained on QWERTY keyboards since the 1860s and none can be bothered retraining them. In 1968, the first typewriter was designed with an alphabetical order similar to the arrangement of piano keys. But because all the commonly used letters were so close together, the keys kept getting jammed. Christopher Latham Scholes then invented the QWERTY keyboard with the purpose of spreading apart popular keys to avoid mechanical issues. Facebook is testing a downvote button. Facebook has begun testing a downvote button with some users, available only in a limited number of posts. The social network clarified that it is not a dislike button. The feature was confirmed to various media outlets by the social networking giant on Thursday. WhatsApp rolls out payments feature in India. Facebook-owned WhatsApp has begun testing a new payments feature in India that will allow people to send money to their friends on the application. After demonetization and the government pushing digital payments, WhatsApp has been working towards enabling a payment option for its users in India. It is one move that makes sense considering that the platform is used by millions of users across India. WhatsApp had been testing the option in beta for quite some time now, and now there are reports stating that the company has started rolling out the feature in India. The world's smallest phone, Zanko Tiny T1. The Zanko Tiny T1 is the smallest fully functional mobile phone in the world. This innovative phone was designed and developed by Zini Mobiles Ltd. The Zanko Tiny T1 mobile phone is smaller than your thumb, lighter than a coin and is ridiculously cute. This phone supports a single nano SIM and can store up to 300 contacts in the phone book. The Zanko Tiny T1 can store up to 50 SMS messages and also the last 50 incoming/outgoing numbers in the call log, using its 32 MB of storage. Powering the Tiny T1 is a MediaTek MTK6261D motherboard and 32 MB of RAM. It sports a 0.49-inch OLED, 32x64 pixels, display and runs on a 200 mAh battery.